Hi guys, today I will share with you Bossman Heavy Duty High Pressure Cleaner BPCI-21. The machine is 2100 watt. The motor type is induction motor. The rated pressure is 110 bars and the max pressure is 165 bar. Slot in, push down and turn to clockwise to install the lens. Pull down the coupler and slot in the nozzle to install. The weight is 7.7 kg and the size is 325 mm x 255 mm x 435 mm. The water outlet pressure hose is 5 meter and the power cord with plug is 5 meter. Put your shampoo here and use the black nozzle if you want to use for shampoo spray.
Không, không, ủa như là kìa. Ủa, hết.